After we remove almost all the back part, we can remove this seat. Is to lock the steering wheel. The best way is to remove these two white pieces first. After removing them, we can use the 1x8 shaft here. To push it out. After pushing it out, you can pull it out and take it away. At this time, the red part at the front can be taken out. At this time, it's for the convenience of shooting the video. Because some customers said they took it all apart. It can swing. This interval allows the front wheel to turn slightly. Now we need to lock it. The way to lock it is to use this particle in our part pack 2. These 4 pieces are placed together. We need to put this one in. There is a trick to not disassemble it. Is a little resilient. You can break it apart and force it in. Before putting these two directly in, didn't we already remove the steering wheel? Here. Of course, there are some here. I've already dropped a little bit here. This is the operation to lock the steering wheel. And then the steering wheel is inserted. The most important thing is to start talking about the rear wheels. After these 3, as you can see in the manual, there is also a 2x3 dark gray one. Just buckle it. It will look slightly more beautiful. This should be the first step in my manual. To the 9th step. I'll let you know with this video first. I will start from the 10th step of my manual. We can see that our car has already. It seems that a piece is missing here. A piece of plastic fell off. Okay, let's put it down. When you see my instructions, it's from this angle. Below is some parts fell off. Find them in time. Our modified assembly is from this step. The parts are such as the 10th step. At first, just put it in. This is to fix the upper board. There are different colors on it. At this time, we should completely follow the steps. It's the 11th step. Normally, we should start from To be honest, it's not very difficult. But what I want to introduce here, we need to use this part. In my spare parts, At this time, you need to find. Where are the other two? The other two are in the original step 97. The parts in the 97th step. It should be in this one. Let's see if it's in this one.